This is Mashuk. I am in a technical field about a decade. It is a good experience in Liakats English. The environment is very English learning friendly, so I think everyone can come over here to learn English. Not only speaking, but also the communication. It's written communication, speaking communication is very much important over anywhere in the world. So I think it would be a better suggestion if you come over here and learn this type of English. I know Liakats very well in 10 years ago, and I think they will develop day by day by teaching English, and I think it will help me to acquire the peak of it.